we feel that the SMEs of India are very underserved. There are about 50 million SMEs, out of which about 8 to 10 million are GST paying SMEs. Out of the GST paying SMEs, only about 1.2 million SMEs have got official credit lines. So the market is very, very large, and there is space for all types of financiers, including banks, fintechs, small finance banks, NBFCs, and payment banks. So as an industry, we should always focus on our synergy, our strengths, and partner with the rest to actually outreach and to grow the penetration. I don't think any financier requires a special niche in SME funding because the market is very large. The only thing that we care about when we are doing this business is that we are socially responsible and that we don't over leverage the SME, and we ensure that right amount of credit is given to the right SME. For SMEs, there is a lot of changes and reforms which have happened over the last 18 to 24 months in terms of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, in terms of SARFAESI being applicable to NBFCs. So we try and use all the legal methods and reforms which are allowed by RBI to actually do collections. And more important than collections is actually the selection of the NBFC at the time of onboarding. And we try and use as much surrogate data to actually select SMEs. Also, we do evaluate on today's financials, but we take a longer call and understand the business model better and see how that will evolve over 3 to 4 years. And basis that, we select our customers. Like I said, it's a very underpenetrated market, and next 2 to 3 years is going to be golden years for specialty finance companies and fintechs, and this credit growth, the wave of this credit growth is going to come from SMEs. And I believe there is a lot, the pie is very big for everyone to cater to, and the market is going to become, and competition is required in the market so that everyone's on top of their toes. I think the biggest change in SME lending will be the problem that will be solved is information asymmetry. With GSTN coming in and the GST network coming in, the kind of information that lenders will be able to get for the SME will allow us to give cheap credit at a cheap cost and allow us to increase the penetration. So I think one of the biggest reforms for SME lending will be the GSTN in terms of selection. In terms of collections, it will be more of IBC and SARFAESI. I think the government is focusing a lot on providing credit to SMEs, and the policy makers and the government are very aware that the next growth are going to come from SMEs since they are the largest employers of the country. And there are going to be a lot of new schemes that will come out in terms of refinance schemes from the banks like Mudra, etc., to actually refinance SMEs at a cheaper cost.